Carlos Yulo, umaapaw ang mga prizes and incentives dahil sa pagkapanalo ng 2 gold medalists sa ginanap na Olympics 2024. Narito ang kanyang mga prizes and incentives. Umpisahan natin sa mga cash incentives. Si Carlos Yulo ay nakatanggap ng tumataginting na 20 million from President Marcos. Additional 20 million naman as mandated by RA 10699. 14 million from the House of Representatives. 5 million from Chavit Singson. Another 5 million from Arena Plus. 3 million from Mega World. And another 3 million from Bounty Fresh. 2 million from Manila LGU. And undisclosed amount naman na galing kay Manny Pacquiao. Sa kasalukuyan, si Carlos Yulo ay mayroong 72 million total na cash prizes. At narito naman ang kanyang mga incentives. Si Carlos Yulo ay mayroong worth 32 million 3-bedroom condo unit in Taguig from Mega World. Mayroon din siyang house and lot in Nasugbu, Batangas from Century Properties Group. Another additional house and lot in Tagaytay from Philippine Sports Commission. Mayroon din siyang worth 150,000 mabuhay miles per year for life from Philippine Airlines. Wow! 28 free domestic and international flights this year from Cebu Pacific. Mayroon din siyang worth 1 million pesos products from SM. At isa pang worth 1 million business package from Everbelina. Meron din siyang lifetime free pizza from Pizza Hut, lifetime free ice cream from Dairy Queen, lifetime free buffet from Vikings, lifetime access from Viva Max. Meron ding free wedding performance from Moonstar 88, lifetime ambulance transport from Lifeline, lifetime PM2 from Mang Inasal, lifetime Pares from Diwata Pares, lifetime unlimited free visa from Phil Global Immigration Services. Yan ang mga nakakalulang cash and incentives ni Carlos Yulo. Dahil sa mga prizes niya na ito, marami na namang mga Pinoy ang na-inspired na sumali sa Olympics. Yan ang ating updates para sa mga prizes and incentives ng ating 2 gold medalist na walang iba kundi si Carlos Yulo.